Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard disappeared in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system. Now click on it and then click on languages and input. Now here you can see the option on screen keyboard. Now click on it and here you can set your keyboard as default. After that, go back and click on reset phone and then click on reset data. Now click on erase all data. After erase all the data, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.